Question 5, a circle has equation x minus 1 whole squared plus y plus 4 whole squared equals 40. A line with equation y equals to x minus 9 intersects the circle at points A and B. In part A, we have to find the coordinates of the points of intersection. So we'll have to solve the equation of the circle and the line simultaneously. So as the equation of the line is y equals to x minus 9, in the equation of the circle, in place of y, we can write x minus 9. So this will become x minus 9 plus 4 whole squared equals to 40. So this will become expanding this. So first simplifying the bracket. So this will become x minus 5 whole squared minus 9 plus 4 is minus 5 equals to 40. Expanding both the sides, we'll get x squared minus 2x plus 1. This will become x squared minus, so that will become 2 times x times 5, which is 10x plus 25. And then we can bring the 40 on this side. So this will become minus 40 equals to 0. X squared plus x squared will become a 2x squared. Minus 2x minus 10x will become a minus 12x. And we have 1 plus 25, which is 26. 26 minus 40 will become a minus 14 equals to 0. We can simplify this and write it as x squared minus 6x minus 7 equals to 0. When we factorize this, this will become x minus 6. So we have to get a 7 when you multiply and a minus 6 when we add. So this will become x minus 7 and x plus 1 equals to 0. So the 2x coordinates will be x equals to positive 7 and x equals to minus 1. Once we have the x values, we can find the y values by substituting it in the equation of the line or the circle. So using the equation of the line, y equals to x minus 9. Substituting x equals to 7. So this will be y equals to 7 minus 9. The y coordinate will be minus 2. And substituting x equals to minus 1. So this will be minus 1 minus 9. So the x coordinate will be, y coordinate will be minus 10. So we can say that point A will have coordinates 7 comma minus 2 and point B can have coordinates minus 1 comma minus 10, or the other way around. It could be B with coordinates 7 comma minus 2 and A with coordinates minus 1 comma minus 10. Both will be marked correct. In part B, we have to find the equation of the circle with diameter AB. Now, if we have a circle and the diameter is the point A and the point B, it means that the center will lie at the midpoint of AB. So the equation of a circle is given by the formula x minus A whole squared plus y minus B whole squared equals to r squared, where r is the radius and A comma B are the coordinates of the center. Now, as we know that the center will be at the midpoint, so finding the midpoint of the points A and B, so the midpoint of AB will be equals to x1 plus x2 upon 2. So that will become 7 plus minus 1 upon 2. And y1 plus y2 upon 2 will become minus 2 plus minus 10 upon 2. Simplifying this will become 7 minus 1, which is 6. So 6 upon 2 will become a 3. Minus 2 minus 10 will become a minus 6. So this will become minus 6. So the midpoint of AB or the center coordinates are 3 comma minus 6. To find the radius, we'll first find the distance of AB and then divide by 2. So to find the distance, we can apply the distance formula. So the distance formula is square root of x2 minus x1 whole squared. So x2 is minus 1. We can write minus 1 minus 7 whole squared plus y2 minus y1. So that will become minus 10 minus minus 2 whole squared. Simplifying this, we'll get square root of, so minus 8 whole square over here, that will become a 64. And minus 10 plus 2 is 8 again. Minus 8 whole square will be 64. So that will be equals to square root of 128. Now, to find the radius, as this is the diameter, the radius will be square root of 128 upon 2. Now, substituting the values of r and a and b in the equation of the circle. So the equation of the circle will become x minus, so the x value was 3. So that will become x minus 3 whole squared plus y minus b. B value was minus 6. So minus minus will make it a plus. So this will become a plus 6 whole squared equals to r squared. So that will become 128 upon 2 whole squared. So 2 square will be 4 and square root of 128 will cancel with the square. So we can finally write the equation as x minus 3 whole squared plus y plus 6 whole squared, and that will be equals to, so 64 divided by, so 128 divided by 4, so that will be equals to 32. So the final equation will be x minus 3 whole squared plus y plus 6 whole squared equals to positive 32.